How to blur something in CapCut Mobile. First, click on your video and here search for duplicate option and duplicate the video. Then click on the duplicate video and go on Effects tab. Then tap on Video Effects and search for Blur Effect. Tap on the blur effect, then hit cancel. Then tap on check. Now click on the video and we are going to overlay it. Then drag it right there. And search for mask option. Click on that mask option and there you go. Your blur effect has been added. Now you can move it around whatever you want to blur. You can choose from circle, square, etc. You can make it like this, small, big, and adjust it as you want. So that's how you can blur something in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching.